Hey, how you doing?
Hello. Let me know if you need any help.
Yeah, I'm looking for freak animals.
Freak animals?
Yeah. Mine up these squirrels, they're a little strange. One with the banjo sort of creeps me out. But you have any mutant animals? Cryptotaxidermy, freaks of nature?
Well, you've come to the right store.
I am a sideshow marvel. Fire-eating, fire-breathing, straitjacket escape. I've been shot out of a cannon. I've laid on a bed of nails and had a cinder block smashed on my chest. I've laid on a bed of nails and had a bed of nails put on my chest with another person laying down on that bed of nails. I've shot Sasquatch. What do you got?
Actually, right here, we have some for sale and some just on display. We have this two-headed pigeon and a two-headed sparrow. And oddly enough, they're both females because 70% of all conjoined animals are females.
All right.
Can you guess which one of these might be real and which one of them might be fake?
I don't know. This one has more of a I'm real vibe going on. But the thing with Siamese twins is they were identical twins. Both of the heads would be exactly alike. And this one, the heads look more similar, but you can just barely see just the outline of where the head was sewn onto the body. I think they're both gaffes.
You're correct. That's amazing.
Yeah. A fake animal's a lot cooler than a new one if it's something that took a lot of work to make. I mean, DNA does all the work with real stuff. Sewing it together with a needle and thread and packing it with sawdust, that takes some skill. Do you have anything that's legit?
Actually, we do have a real two-headed creature.
Ooh, it's a floater.
It is a floater. Two-headed turtle.
Cutesy pootsy.
And he's legitimate.
You know, you can't beat legit. Except with a good fake.
The theory on how this happens is that when a fertilized egg begins to split into identical twins, somehow the process is interrupted and creates two partially formed individuals that are stuck together.
What's it going to take for me to take them home with me? Is it them or it?
I think them are $95.
Heck yeah, I'm there.
Two for the price of one.
Let's make it happen.
Okay, awesome. Thank you very much.
You betcha.
Deal.